Alright. Hello everyone. So we made this last time. Maybe we can turn these into tickets. That's the first thing we will do. I mean, the world map itself doesn't need to be there, but the code needs to activate the UI, and the fates and so on needs to happen. So this is the first step, I guess. When we have that, I guess. What else? And so on. From there we can see how we can form everything. But we should begin with this. Now. Yes, we have to go to the interactions for the exit and see how that functions. Maybe also input router. Do we bind anything? No. Get object from lists. This is from the root then, yes. Hello, baby. Don't be off that, please. Although it was fitting for the month. I hear drinking coffee helps to unzombify oneself. This is a reference to a game, by the way. Oh. Yeah, I might play that game. It's a good game. A good couple of games. Should I tell you or should I keep it a secret? Okay, depending on this, we switch or open the menu and switch, but the switch is the important one. So we go here then. Wait. Yeah, with the exit key. Why do we enable controls? Because we leave the UI, I guess. Do animation. Why? I guess because we stop, okay. Empty exit bucket. And what did you eat today, baby? UI signal. Exit fade to black. How do we go in there? Fate reached, and then what? We do probably nothing. But why would I bind it in here then? What is the payload? This can't be the payload. Oi oi oi. It's just fading. And then what? Wait with instructions. No. Maybe something else is bound to this. Oh wait, this is this UI signal. Never mind. We go in here. I didn't even know. A spinach twisted thingy. Alright then. The monkey ate a chocolate croissant and then how to say, a vegetable pan, I guess? Vegetables in a pan with chicken. With the tomato sauce. It's not amazing, it's a simple dish. Well, I ate it so many times that it's not special anymore. Do you mean show all levels? Ah. Now we have to stop here. Oh my god! I would like a cheesecake. With cream or without? Ah. I don't know from where. Like I said, I don't have a local bakery in close. I would have to go there and hope that there is a cheesecake. Yeah, it's like 7 minutes with the bike, my bicycle. Yeah, not great. And if I go to the grocery store, like, there's a bakery in there, but they're not selling cheesecake. They have other cakes though. I don't know. I'm not... I mean, before I moved here, I would always have something from the bakery, but it's not really healthy, you know. We will see. I need to break it here and send this over. But sometimes you can. Yeah, right? At my workplace, everyone also is getting sick. I hope they are not infecting me. Well, we will see. Tomorrow is, how to say, the team meal thing, team dinner, team lunch. And our cook is sick. I wonder how that goes. She's not home though, she is there. So either she is not, she will call in sick tomorrow, or she will be there and I will be like, oh, this is dicey. We will see. So I need to make some kind of delay here, then create the UI and so on. So let's make a note here. Note. And then do this and then see what happens. Hopefully we will stay in the dark. Main is here. Should be here. And there are no other levels except the camera, then that's good. Let's see. So now, maybe I should also create the UI first. The world map. Like this. You got flashbang today. How did that happen? Oi, 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 so much text. We worked with big lamps today for the places we go to and when we need them. And the just wanted to show a smaller lamp more handy and normally need to stay lights on before and it was like really looking into it. Here. Well, if nothing bad happened, then it's fine. Oh my god. I have a story of my workplace too. Like there's this automated site, or not automated, a site where we do our trainings, like security trainings and so on. And there was a training from last week. And I started the training last week, watched the video and wanted to do the quiz. The first question I did correctly, the second one I failed, and the third one I wanted to double check in the video to not make it wrong as well. So I went back to the slides from that site, and when I turned back to this to the quiz, I got stuck. I could not press continue anymore, could not submit. So I wrote the email support that, hey guys, the thing is stuck, what do I do? Until today, I didn't hear anything from them. Today I receive an email, an automated one. Hello, Kampekisaru. We just wanted to let you know you have a new training and it has 7 days left. And I'm like, great! Why is no one answering me? Can't wait how that ends. So I wrote now 2 managers that are in that department with the hope that they will receive my message. I emailed them again answering that automated one, where now there's also a ticket. Yesterday I also wrote the IT. So if I don't get an answer tomorrow, I guess I have to write their head off? Who else can I write? Anyway, we have to create this now. And fade out. So let's go in here. Create widgets. World map. And we don't need to initialize yet. But if we do this and then wait a moment, that's not how it goes. UI controller. Open menu. We need a canvas. Main screen hierarchy. What do we have here? Defaults? No. Components? No. Main? Front panel, I guess. And world map, please. Write a letter. Dear who may how to say, who may it concern? That sounds weird. That's not English. Anyway, I expect the UI not to be visible. Hopefully. Dear idiots. I can't say that. From black to not transparent. Let's see how this goes. Funny thing is, my lead also has the same problem. Oh, there it is. But that was very fast. 0.5, please. Also, maybe we should do some kind of delay. Maybe the menu is coming on too quick. No, it's fine. We can play around with that at some point. So the menu is here. Now we can do some kind of dummy button that leads us to the next level, which we could hard code right now, which would be this thing. So we need to initialize this with that thing and then send it over to this when we select something or whatever. Not even. The exit key will only tell us from where we come from, probably. Which means I have to... Maybe before we clean up the level, we could get the root and just the ID of the map name. Should I keep the notes? I mean, it's still a construction. Let's call it construction yard. Building unit ready. That was my intention. Like this. Firm. Silence. Of course. It's still the overworld controller. What does it do? We need to fade again. And then fire that function. I'm not sure if it's a click, but I think it's fine. Then we can get UI controller, fade the color. .5 from transparent to black. And before we do this, we need to bind Is it this? How do we do this right now? Wait. Ah, okay. Interesting, I'm not even using the fade for that. Wealth map. I just want to maybe we have it here. If reached or something. This is bind. Ah wait, where's the fade? This is not what I wanted. Here, fade screen. Our command. I guess this goes to this. All. Bind. Of course. Unbind. Why? Wait, whose dispatcher is this? This one. Interesting, where's the bind? Oh, we have multiple binds. No, we have multiple calls. Call. Bind. Where are we? Main screen hierarchy. Execute command from UI controller. I see, so it goes there. Execute command. Then what? Fate reached. Fate reached here. Oh god. I should clean up this mess at some point. Broadcast UI signal. Where do we use this? Multiple places. And then close. Wait, does open menu do a fade? Oh. Does. That's not good. Can't do that. Not good. Can't do that. Shit. Ah. I guess for this we have to go custom. And how do we get rid of it? At some point we have to kill this. Open menu helped us with that. Wait. Why is it fine? Ah, we are not using the execute, we are using the function itself. That's fine then. Ah, okay. But it was fine, we can use this. So it is fine. And then we can close it again, I think. How do we bind to that fade? Bind to this, I guess. And then fade reached. No, not this. This one is fine. Without... Here we need it. Command payload, payload array. Like so. Then we fade. I wonder how this goes. Will we go to the sprint and say hello? And it's hello. Correct. Have to get rid of this. Close it somehow. Maybe it is better to have it here instead of the world thingy. Let's see. Do we really use the exit key? We might need to use destinations now. Let's hard code a destination. Can I get a world controller? We only have it here, so might want to write this. Get over world control. Okay. Like this. I guess we have to fade though. Or did I fade already? I did fade already. This could be good. Let's see. World map. We press on an island. Aha. We just need to get rid of the world map. Like this. Yippee. Uh-oh. No menu with key. World map found. Closed. Why did that happen? I don't understand. How did this happen? Said it worked. That means it is in the map. Does it try to do it 2 times? Maybe I have to unbind some things. Yeah, that might be the problem. Okay, that was the problem. Oh, we successfully bridged between the start area and the first islands. But now we need more information and stuff. Oh boy. How will we do this? How can I make this scrollable? Do I even use a UI? I could use a 3D scene. With 2D elements. Which would, of course, lead to more loading levels and unloading them. Not easy, not easy. this bad. If I do this, I cannot interact with the rest of the UI. Not easily.
Ugh.
Oh. Whoops. Shit. Be right back. And I'm back. Thank you. Of course not. This is so complicated! Not so sure, man. I see. Hello, Trick. Not sure what RF means. Where I learned it? I just opened and played around. Before that, I knew how to program in C#, so it was rather easy to learn. Why are you asking? Are you planning on learning Unreal Engine? Oh, no, no, no. Don't ask the age just to make sure if you can learn it or not. My age should not be that important if you want to learn it. But I am 34. No, I'm 35, sorry. Time flies. You don't know where to start? Well, it really depends on what you want to do. Where you can start is trying to get a print message that says "Hello Monkey" on the console. When you press this here, that's a start. Now what I want to do is, if the UI controller has the right click in its active buttons, I want to be able to scroll the map. Of course, I'm not sure how we will do that, but we want to move this up and down, or maybe let's make a canvas that we move up and down. Now, something like that. So yeah, trick, if you want to learn Unreal, you just have to play around with it, go step by step. And if you don't know anything right now, your first step is this. You click on Near, and then you click on Open Level Blueprint. This is your start. That's where you start. If you're here, and then connect something here, whatever that is, it could be like this here. Print. If you connect this to that, and then press on this, something will happen. And then you can use that to do other things. But this is your start. Now I will do something rather not so cool, but there is no other way, I think. Contains... Wait, no. Active piece contains right click. If true, get mouse position on viewport. And like this, I guess. What's the problem here? Ah. Okay. So if I hold my right click, it should be, oh, of course. Ah, I'm not initializing. I need to initialize. Where do we do this? Here. Open menu. Get world map. Initialize. Okay. So if I hold right click, now gives me the position of my mouse. If I let go, it does not stop. I have to stop it. Why didn't it stop? Should have. Oh. I forgot about this. Okay. If I let go, it's fine. So we can now, if I press or click with the right mouse and then move it downwards, the whole screen should go down. And if I let go, I should be free again. And if I click on some button with my right click, it should not go. But if I click with left click, I should go. Alright. So all we have to do now is move the canvas in an offset. How do we do this? This clicks faster. I click with right click and say save initial mouse position, and then depending on the distance from where we clicked to where we are right now, I can use that distance, multiply it by some scale, and add it to the initial position of the world map. And then save that when I let go again. Something like that. Yeah, let's do something like that. Okay, now let's think. Do we need the X position? Do I want to scroll left and right? It depends probably if I zoom in or not, right? Let's keep it simple for now and just have it as Y. Initial mouse Y. Then we can go ahead, take this again. We can take this. Save it here. Initial canvas Y. It should be 0. It should be 0. As canvas dot canvas set offset get offset split and split x y whatever. And here we will now set that initial canvas mouse Y. Mouse Y minus this one. Current mouse Y offset. Of course, this will be like one-on-one, but it should be our initial thing that happens. Let's see what happens now. There are many things to iron out, but I want to see if the initial idea works. We press right. Well, it is inverted. Somehow it works. So maybe it should be like this instead. So it is not inverted. Correct? See? Yes. You can see, now I can scroll the map. Now we could do it like this even. Initial canvas Y. We need that. Interaction. initial canvas Y. This like that. So we have that saved. Then with the initial canvas Y plus whatever comes in here, we now have the correct position, probably. Let's see how this goes. Ah, that was not that correct. It jumps to somewhere. I am forgetting some value. Ah, it shouldn't be initial. Wait. No, it should be saved. Current mouse offset. What breaks? This is correct. Mouse Y. Ah, I'm not saving. Should I be saving? Can I let go? I'm getting it from here anyway. Depends, what do you want to hear? Hello, Gets. Welcome to the chat and stream. Something general? Boiled down, it is how to say, monster collecting game. It's a RPG. But I have some kind of different approach to it. You can't see it like Pokemon, but with formations. Right now I'm building the world map, where you can go from one island to the next. Now I'm fighting with the scrolling. I'm not sure why the numbers are how they are. This is funny. I expected this to be 0. It is not 0. Thank you, Get. If you tune in every week or so, or months and so on, you might be seeing how the game progresses. I stream 5 days a week. You can even just look at the YouTube videos when I upload and then just skim through them and then see, oh, today Monkey made this? I see, I see. But tell me, how did you find my stream? Are you also a developer? Most people looking at this category are developers themselves. So this is wrong. The initial y minus the y that we get from here does not equal 0, which is extremely strange, because we get it here, y. We could make it like this, print error, I mean pend error, so it is red, and whatever comes out from here. Ah! And why do you need gravity? I remember I experimented with gravity in Unity, but that's like 7-8 years ago. Oh, why didn't it print out error? Oh, don't tell me it's not going into this. Can it be that it does not go through this? Ha! Funny, I did that too, but in 2D, in Unity. Shouldn't be that hard. All you have to do is doing the accelerations, the velocities, and that's it. And then just a force that pulls it towards it, and voila, the orbits create themselves. No! Yeah, I said Orblings because my games is about Orblings. I got confused a little. But I mean orbits, of course. This did not trigger. Why? Why did this not trigger? This should be triggering. Why can't this trigger? What happens if I left click here? Did I forget to bind it somewhere? Oh god, not even left click goes through. I forgot to bind it. Or add it here, I guess. Do interaction, world map. World map interaction. Oh my god. Fine. Get world map interaction. This key, please. Okay, now it should go through. Which means I could just delete this. I probably don't need this anymore. And now it should not jump around. Maybe. We will see. Yeah. There we go. Hehe! You can scroll now! Okay, so let's clean up the prints. That's it, I think. Depends on how you see it. One day is roughly 2 hours of development. So it's maybe a third of it. Or a fourth of a day. So it might be less than 100 real development days. But yeah, I have all days except the first one on YouTube. You can see and judge for yourself if it's 343 or not. I have evidence. I think I started last year. Was it beginning or end of May? So started over a year ago. Spent days are probably less than 100. If you count one day as 8 hours. And days I have streamed at least a little is 343 days. Okay, how do we continue though? We have it scrolling. If I put this button there, like here, it would scroll with it. Can I then still press it? I probably can, right? Shouldn't break if I just move it around. So let's see. I scroll, I can still highlight it. I click here, nothing happens. And if I click here, boom. We are now at the first island. But I cannot move. Which means some kind of lock is still active. Why? Why? How did this happen? Couldn't we... We were able to walk before. Why? What did change now? This is strange. UI. There. Ah, I used this now, right? Maybe close menu we have to now also do like that. So our input mode changes. Where did we set this? Here, and then go build close menu and restore previous. Okay, now we should be able to walk again, right? Yes, there we go. So yeah, it's basically you go in and then you are into this arena kind of thing, and then you can choose what kind of formation you want to do. You have different fronts for that formation, and there are two sides of the disc, and depending on what you choose, you might have a magic attack, magic defense, and so on. Right now we are facing 3 magic offensive Orblings. That means they will kill this guy in 1 round. So we should change to crystal elements. And then the guy can create some kind of shield for us. And he is good against offensive magic, so he doesn't get that much damage. So he has now created this thing, and that one now defends our Tomati here, which is a fire Orbling, and he has a area of attack magic, and you can see all of them got damaged. So if I do this again, we win the round. But yeah, everything looks crap right now because I invested like 0 time into making this look good. Everything is invested on systems and programming and logic. Nothing on content yet. That comes after this phase. And yeah, our Orblings can level up, and the stats get boosted, and so on. And you can get more Orblings that you can put on these thingies, and then you have different formations, and hopefully you choose attacks that synergize with each other. Alrighty, so how do we do a world map? World map background. Let's say this is 1000 for now. No, 1500. Actually, no, it's not. Because I'm not a Pokemon fan. I never played Pokemon before. What I played was Jade Cocoon 2. This game is heavily inspired by that game. Now, if I add buttons, these should be centered maybe into the middle. Yeah, Jade Cocoon. It's a very old game. Jade Cocoon 1 was for the PlayStation 1, and Jade Cocoon 2 was for the PlayStation 2. Now, do we design all of this really like that? Why should we one? And Maybe the position should be a little lower. 300 maybe? 400. It depends. Depending on how big this is, this should be aligned to the bottom part. Maybe I should just anchor it to the bottom and then just make 0 here. And then we can do something like this. This is a button that is on the lower part. 0, 0. 0.5. And 1 maybe. Oh, it is fun! I can highly recommend it if you can play it. You can find it on emulators. There are also patches and so on. The story is rather lighthearted. So this thing is our starting area, like our start. What do we call it? Start islands? And this thing should be disabled at start, maybe. Or do we have a golden path? We probably have a golden path, so we might be able to just jump back. Then we have this guy. So maybe I should name these. Oh, no. This is dangerous. Please be here. You are start area islands button. And then islands 1, 1. That goes in here or something. Now we also have to find these buttons, get their positions, and then set the camera or the scroll amount to that. Oi, 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 oi. This will be something to maintain. But I guess if I do it once, I don't have to do it twice. Not like the what were they called? The structs. When they break, good luck. Maybe you have to do everything from the beginning. Let's say these are 200 by 200 for now. No, that's too much. 200, 150 to 150. And the anchor is maybe like this. And we have to make some paths between them. How will we do that? Maybe with shaders? How can I make a line between two images and then make it so I can fill it? We could get an image with a gradient from black to white. And depending on the fill state, we could say, do this color value set to color or something. But then again, I would need to make some kind of image that is a gradient and goes from one side to the other. And I'm not sure if using a gradient is flowy enough. Something to research, I guess. So we have this. Did I even write that we want to scroll? I forgot, but we did it anyway. We have to do some paths. Could we do paths next time? Or is this maybe something more complicated and needs something before that? I think we should implement paths next time. I have no clue how to program this. I have to research. But what we can now do is click this thing and then we will end up in the first world. Maybe I could do it so the second one also gets triggered. Level selection clicked. Maybe we should make it so they... I would need to make a custom button to make the ID come from there. Consistency. I'm not sure if I'm consistent here. What I often do is some kind of how to say, a starting point for the code, and if I have to branch out, I branch out and make it similar. Ah, you mean that? I heard many people have this problem. Maybe I'm built different. I just have this vision in my head and I want it to... how to say? I want to set it free from my brain so others can see it too. I have many other ideas too, but they can wait. And streaming helps me actually to have a routine. I remember 3 years ago I started this project in Unity, and after 6 months I came to a point where I had zero enjoyment of developing. So opening the project made it so that I had this feeling of, God, I could do so many other fun things. And then I gave up. one day became 2 days, 3 days, a week, a month. And then 2 years passed and I didn't do anything on that project. And then I was like, okay, let's restart. You learned Unreal, how to use it. You are now better in that. Maybe you can do things easier. And I also started streaming every day to have an audience maybe. But now it became my motivation actually, like a routine. If I click on start, I just program, no matter if it's hard or not. And sometimes people join me and then I can talk with them. But yeah, that's how I have it consistent, I guess. Just to have a routine and then everything falls into its place. And never, how to say, I had some times where I was like, maybe I shouldn't stream, I can stream tomorrow. But I never gave in to that. And now we are in day 343, I don't plan on giving in. So yeah, I guess we have to implement own button. So then we can get information from here and then go to level selection clicked. We might need to set level to load and then load it by that. Then instead of... maybe we should implement this now. Oh, thank you. That would be nice. Well, it will take a lot of time to finish this, but thank you. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time. Let's do the button. What do we call it? World map island button. And that thing is nothing but a canvas with a button that is anchored to everywhere. If clicked, it needs to send a dispatcher world map lens clicked. This thing needs to have an input. Where is it? Here. Key? No. Island ID. Call. With this, and we have this with ID. Like so. I think. Now we can use this in the world map. User created world map. This one, this one, this one. 840 to 200. Lower part with 0, 0, 1, 0.5. Okay, this is start button. 150 to 150. First island. Guy. And second island. This guy. Ta-da! Cool, I can just do that. That's awesome. Almost there. This goes in here. With this. And then promote. Next to load. Like this. Okay, and then this goes in here. Alright, so now if I go to the world map, I should be able to just skip to the second world right now. If I click on this. Up, 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 up. Haha! It works! It works! Ah, good progress, good progress. Maybe our next should be make paths. With fill logic. This will be hard, but we have to find a way to do this. I don't know how, but there must be a way. I wonder. I mean, we could do so many things. I don't want to stretch and so on. Oh well. That's future monkey's problem. I think everyone left except Bevy. So Bevy, thanks for tuning in. Don't force yourself. Work is hard. Anyway, thank you, everyone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye. Interesting. If I look in the camera, then it looks like I'm looking down. Maybe I have to change that. Anyway, bye bye.